This is our food. Welcome back to my channel, Rachel here. Okay, so another travel vlog. Let's start today. We are now here in Munich Airport. So naghintay pa kami ng aming dinner. And mamaya pa yung flight namin. Going to Iceland. Ayan. And just we'll keep you posted what's gonna happen. And so far, Malta to Munich, wala namang problema. Thank you. Ngayon, ay samahan niyo kami for another travel adventure. Sa aming 3 weeks adventure sa Iceland. And waiting kami ng aming second flight from Munich to Keflavik. Ayan, to Iceland. So mamaya pa siyang 11:55. So ang oras lang is 9:20 pa lang. No, 11 because it's 10:55 ang flight, so it's 11. So wala masyadong trying to rest. Si Andy ay nandun din sa kabila. Good morning! So, nandito na kami sa arrival ng Iceland and we're just waiting sa aming shuttle bus sa rental car. Good morning Team B, Rachel here, and this is our day 1 here in Iceland. Welcome to Iceland. It's raining, so heading to Reykjavik kasi we're going to, what we're gonna buy? The gas for the camping and some groceries and some stuff. Pero may mga dala kaming food, mga canned food kasi allowed namang magdala. And then yun for today. So normal here ang raining. And what was the temperature? 8 degrees this morning. So Sunday, this is our day 1. Okay, so finally we're here in Iceland. So we planned this trip like almost 2 years, supposedly before overland, but then COVID came and hindi tayo makapag-travel that time. So we think na it's much safer to travel yung overland. And nung nakikita namin na okay na, ayun, so tinuloy namin yung planning. By like January nagrenta kami ng car, January, kasi habang lumalapit yung date na gusto mo, medyo expensive yung car, yung rental car dito. But I think we had a good deal on my car. So let's see kung merong mga extras. Okay. Hello. Ito yung rental car namin. And nagsosort lang ako ng mga gamit namin. Hinihimulay ko yung mga food. And then, yung mga damit and yung tent nilabas ko. Kasi mostly yung gagawin namin is camping. We're here sa parking lot and we're waiting kung mag-open ng 9 itong Kronan or yung other side na bonus grocery store there para makabili ng ilang stuff pa and water. We need water. But then meron kami mga dalang food. Mga tomato cans, isang noodles, ito rice, ito potato mash and soup. Meron din kaming dalang pasta. Pero ito, pinaghiwalay namin sa maleta. Bali, allowed magdala ng 10 kilos ang isang tao. Yan. Some stuff. So the more that you can save here. Ito yung spoon and fork namin. So, konti na lang ang bibilhin natin.
What do you want? You want to buy...
We have also the tripod. Inassemble na rin niya. Those are sleeping bags, tent, and another sleeping bag. May isa pa dun sa loob. Okay, then nakabili na ako. Okay, so nakabili na ako ng gas, then hindi na ako nag-film dun sa driving dahil nag-charge na ako ng GoPro. And nandito kami sa isang campsite. So let's see kung makakapag-stay kami dito kasi pagod na rin. Ang haba ng biyahe. Actually, yung waiting. Ang haba ng waiting sa airport. Pati doon sa Munich. Tsaka sa Malta. Yan. So, pagod na rin. And, magsaset up na kami ng tent. Makakain for lunch. And, so tomorrow, we'll see kung anong site yung pupuntahan namin. But so far, Iceland is a very interesting country. Maganda yung topography. Yung topography ng bansang to is very unique. Si Dylan is nakatulog na doon sa nakatulog na siya sa likod. May space. Tulog. Okay, we found the station. No, this is our food. And we're gonna set up the tent while Dylan is sleeping. It's raining a bit.